Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. Today I would like to talk about Arum italicum marmoratum, which is a plant. It has tubers or rhizomes in the soil, depending on who you ask, and they have these wonderful white to yellow veins on the leaves, and they sprout in autumn, and they will survive up until minus 15 degrees Celsius. So US hardiness zone 7A or 6B, I believe. And they will be green all year, all winter long. And when they are frozen, they sit on the soil. But when they thaw, they come up back and they are in foliage about 2/3 of the year, and they go dormant in summer. And here you can see the seeds, which are inside in these orange-red berries. And from June to late August, you can see these berries growing, first green, then yellow, and then turning this orange-red. And inside you can see these big seeds. And when you sow the seeds, they can take up to 2 years to germinate, and they are very nice. So when they are not in foliage, they have these berries, so they're ornamental in the garden all year round. So now it's autumn and it's getting cooler and moister, and you can see that they started to sprout and grow up. And they can be as big as 2 feet tall, but usually they are just 1 feet, so about 30 to 60 centimeters tall. And this is one of my favorite plants because you just plant them once. You have to be careful to let the tuber point downwards, and then you just leave it there for years. So this patch is here for 3 years now, and it's altogether more than 6 years old. And it has smaller sprouts, and if you have a good soil, you can have them grow from seed. And I would like to show you something else. We call it a Spanish slug. So this brownish one, and you can notice that there's a seed at the back because it has a slime gland, and these snails are very voracious and they can cause a lot of damage. So thank you for your attention. See you next time in the garden. Bye bye.